Hi, David with C&K here. Coming to you today from my home office because we're not traveling the way we were able to before. We lost our whole spring seminar season. We lost our whole spring show season. We haven't been able to do lunch and learns like we used to do. So we thought we'd bring our seminar to you on video.
Everything starts right here with the sheet. This is a sheet of 80,000 material. That's the thin side. This is a sheet of 1/2 inch, and you're gonna see some thick material being run in the plant when we get out there today. We go up to 780, 3/4 an inch thick. But everything starts with the sheet. Let's get right in. Let me give you a couple of the benefits of this process. The number one benefit is speed to market. If you've got projects that have been sidetracked due to the COVID, pull them out, let's get them going. We can get you to market with production parts in 6 weeks. Sometimes a little less, but 6 weeks is about normal. The other main benefit is the detail and the tooling. We can give you this kind of injection molded detail on a vacuum form part for about 10% of the cost of an injection mold. 90% savings. So this kind of detail for 10% of the cost of injection mold. Now you may tell me, hey, I'm going to buy 1 million parts a year. If so, you're going to go injection molding. But our average customer, the normal person watching this video, is going to buy a few hundred or a few thousand of these parts a year. So you can get this detail, this high level of detail, for a 90% savings, and we can get you to market in 6 weeks. Tell us how the part works, what attributes you need, what material attributes do you need. Does it fit with something? Does it fit over something? Does something go in it? And then our engineers can help you design the perfect part. So don't worry about is it male, is it female. Just let us know what you need and we'll help you design.